In this session, we are going to take a look at how to create a bubble chart. So bubble chart is created based on a scatter plot. It's adding another dimension to your scatter plot. So let's create a new sheet for the bubble chart. Let's rename this as bubble chart. So in this bubble chart, we will be creating a similar chart to what we have just created in the scatter plot. And then we are going to add one more dimension, which is the total bags. And let's see how we can do that. So first, let's repeat all the steps we have done in the scatter plot. So we'll be dragging the total volumes to columns, and then the average price to the rows, and then let's uncheck the aggregate measures. So now this is the scatter plot we have created before. So to create a bubble chart, we will need to add a third dimension to this visualization. We are going to use the total bags as our third dimension. So we can drag the total bags to the size mark here. So now you see that once we add the size mark, it has changed all the different bubbles sizes in this visualization. It's not very obvious, so we can actually change the scale of the different sizes to make our bubble chart more obvious in the size differences. So if you change the size of all the bubbles, now you will see a more obvious differences between the different nodes, different data points in our data set. So of course, you can add more information into this visualization as well. Let's say if you want to visualize this bubble chart based on their region, we can actually drag the region to the colors mark. So now you will see that the different regions will be colored differently in our bubble chart. And of course, if you want to change, if you want to include the type as a filter, we can also do that. So we can right-click and click Show Filter to add the different types as a filter in here. So now something for you to try is that you can actually edit the axis in this visualization and try to see how you can change them. You can also change the title, the range, and etc. So the way you can do that is you can right-click on this axis and you can click Edit Axis, and then you can make these different changes in here.